Ganito lang po because Senator Trillanes presented yung mga bank accounts. May I ask this former senator, how did you acquire these documents, bank documents?
Nung campaign po noong 2016, meron pong nag-abot sa aming opisina na ang pangalan po niya ay Joseph De Mesa, in-identify niya. So sinabi niya, meron siya mga dokumento na pwede namin tignan. Then chinek namin, vinalidate po namin kung totoo yun. No? So may mga nagdeposito po na doon sa iba't ibang accounts ni Duterte. Tapos totoo nga, legitimate po.
So, former Senator Trillanes testified that that document was not acquired legally. It was just given to him, and with that, Mr. Chairman, though he might appreciate that bank records, but for me, Mr. Chairman, I am not a lawyer, but with regards to how authentic is the bank documents being presented to us by former Senator Trillanes, we must ask the AMLA, Mr. Chairman. So, with that, Mr. Chairman, unless Senator Trillanes can present to us another document that that bank records came from an authentic, competent agency of government, Mr. Chairman. In this case, it's the AMLA.